Ever found yourself halfway through the month wondering where all your money went? Between overpriced textbooks and too many iced lattes, your wallet might feel pretty light, right? Well, you're not alone. Many students feel the pinch, but there's a smarter way to boost your cash flow without burning out or hurting your GPA. Let's dive into some awesome side hustles that can pad your pockets without turning you into a sleep-deprived zombie. 1. Influencer marketing broker. Ever thought of leveraging your campus network to make some cash? Become a college influencer marketing broker. You don't need thousands of followers or viral videos. Instead, your role is to connect businesses seeking exposure with students who have influence over their peers. Start by identifying friends or classmates who have a decent following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. These don't have to be massive numbers. Even a few thousand engaged followers can be valuable for local businesses looking to target college students. Next, reach out to local businesses that would benefit from this demographic. This could be a new coffee shop looking to attract more customers, or a bookstore offering student discounts. Explain how partnering with campus influencers can increase their visibility and sales. As a broker, your job is to negotiate deals between the influencers and the businesses. You'll manage the campaign's creative direction and ensure both parties meet their commitments. For your services, charge a commission, typically 10% to 20% of the deal's total value. This way, if an influencer earns $1,000 from a campaign, you could make $100 to $200 simply for making the connection. This hustle not only pads your wallet, but also builds invaluable marketing and negotiation skills, setting you up for success in any future business endeavors. 2. Thrift shop organizer. If you have a flair for fashion and a knack for organization, starting a pop-up thrift shop on your college campus could be a lucrative and fun side hustle. College students are always on the lookout for unique, affordable fashion finds, making thrift shops a perfect fit for the campus environment. To get started, scout locations on campus where you can host your pop-up events. Ideal spots include student lounges, common areas, or even outdoor spaces during warmer months. Coordinate with your college administration for permissions and scheduling. Next, source your inventory by partnering with local thrift stores or collecting donations from students eager to declutter their wardrobes. You could also host clothing swap events, where students bring items they no longer want and leave with something new to them. When setting up your thrift shop, create themed events like Retro Rewind or Eco Chic Finds to attract more interest. Use social media platforms to hype up your events, showcasing some of the standout pieces you'll be selling. By organizing these thrift shops, you not only help your peers find budget-friendly clothing, but also promote sustainable fashion on campus. Plus, you can pocket a significant sum. Students have made over $500 in just a single weekend by tapping into the thrifting trend. 3. Elderly tech trainer. In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, many seniors find themselves left behind, struggling to keep up with new gadgets and platforms. This presents a perfect opportunity for you to step in as an elderly tech trainer, a side hustle that not only earns you money, but also provides immense satisfaction by helping others. Start by offering personalized tech training sessions for seniors, teaching them how to use smartphones, set up and use social media accounts, and make video calls to stay connected with family and friends. Your services could include basic skills like sending emails, using search engines, and understanding online safety. Market your services through local community centers, churches, and senior living facilities, where you can conduct one-on-one sessions or small group workshops. Seniors appreciate patience and clear explanations, so tailor your teaching style to be calm and detailed. Charging $25 to $50 per hour, your earnings can add up quickly, especially as satisfied clients refer others to you. This role does more than fill your wallet. It helps bridge the generational tech gap and enriches the lives of seniors by keeping them connected and engaged in our digital world. 4th, AI-powered note-taking service. Consider the revolutionary potential of an AI-powered note-taking service for your fellow students. College lectures can be fast-paced and information-dense, making it challenging for students to capture all the critical details. By utilizing AI transcription tools like Otter.ai or Sonics, you can offer a service that provides comprehensive, accurate lecture notes or summarized versions to students who struggle with note-taking or who may have missed a class. To set up this service, first, ensure you have access to quality recording equipment to capture lectures clearly. Then, use AI software to transcribe these recordings. Your role will be to edit and organize these transcriptions into coherent, easy-to-study notes, ensuring they accurately reflect the lecture content and are free from errors that AI might not catch. Market your service through campus forums, social media, and by posting flyers around the school, particularly in areas frequented by students from large lecture classes. Charge a fee per lecture, say $10 for a summarized version and $20 for detailed notes. With the scalability of this model, you could handle multiple classes simultaneously, significantly increasing your earning potential while providing a valuable resource to your peers. 5. Rent out your parking space. Do you have a parking space but find yourself not using it often? Turn that empty spot into a passive income stream by renting it out, especially during high-demand events like football games, concerts, or even during regular school days when parking is a premium. This side hustle is particularly effective if your parking is located near your college campus or in a bustling part of town where parking is scarce. To get started, list your parking space on platforms like Spot Hero or ParkWiz. These sites make it easy to connect with drivers looking for convenient parking options and handle all the payment processing for you, ensuring a hassle-free transaction. You can set your own rates, typically ranging from $10 to $30 per day, depending on the location and demand. This approach requires minimal effort on your part. Once your listing is up, all you need to do is manage bookings and ensure your space is accessible on the days it's rented. It's a great way to make money off something you already own but aren't using to its full potential. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to know your parking spot is helping someone out when they need it most, all while padding your wallet. 6. Personal finance coach for students. With student debt on the rise and financial literacy often overlooked in college curricula, becoming a personal finance coach for students could be a game changer, not just for your wallet, but for your peers' futures. This side hustle involves educating your fellow students on essential financial skills, such as budgeting, saving, building credit, and managing student loans. Begin by familiarizing yourself with personal finance basics and perhaps even obtaining a certification if possible to lend credibility to your services. Create workshops or one-on-one coaching sessions tailored to the needs of college students, covering topics from how to create a realistic budget that accommodates student life to understanding credit scores and their impact on future financial opportunities. 7. Custom dorm room design consultant. Transform your passion for interior decorating into a profitable side hustle by becoming a custom dorm room design consultant. College dorm rooms are notoriously bland and cramped, providing a great opportunity for you to help your peers turn their small spaces into cozy, stylish sanctuaries. As a dorm room design consultant, you'll offer personalized services to maximize space efficiency and aesthetic appeal in dorm rooms. Start by consulting with students to understand their needs, style preferences, and budget. Then, create customized plans that include layout options, color schemes, and multifunctional furniture ideas that make the most of limited space. You can charge approximately $100 for a complete makeover plan, which includes sourcing items, creating a layout, and even assisting with the setup if needed. Promote your services through campus bulletin boards, social media, and word of mouth. Additionally, consider creating a portfolio of your designs to show potential clients the transformations you've achieved. 8. AI resume, writer and job application coach. In today's competitive job market, a standout resume can make a huge difference. As an AI resume writer and job application coach, you can help fellow students enhance their chances of landing their dream jobs by crafting polished resumes and preparing them for interviews using advanced AI tools like Resume.io or Zeddy. Start by familiarizing yourself with the best practices in resume writing and the latest trends in job applications. Use AEI tools to create customized, eye-catching resumes that highlight each student's strengths and achievements. Offer packages that include not only resume writing, but also cover letter crafting and LinkedIn profile optimization. Additionally, provide interview preparation sessions where you teach students how to effectively communicate their skills and experiences. Cover common interview questions, body language tips, and strategies for answering tricky questions. By charging $50 to $150 per package, you can offer comprehensive support that prepares job seekers for all aspects of the application process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more smart student tips. Share this with a friend who needs a side hustle, and I'll see you in the next video.